The way ML used to work is that people would just tinker with stuff and try to get interesting results. That's what's been going on in the past. Then the scaling insight arrived, right? Scaling laws, GPT-3, and suddenly everyone realized we should scale. This is an example of how language affects thought. Scaling is just one word, but it's such a powerful word because it informs people what to do. They say, okay, let's try to scale things. And so you say, okay, so what are we scaling? And pre-training was the thing to scale. It was a particular scaling recipe.
Yes.
The big breakthrough of pre-training is the realization that this recipe is good. So you say, hey, if you mix some compute with some data into a neural net of a certain size, you will get results. And you will know that it will be better if you just scale the recipe up. And this is also great. Companies love this because it gives you a very low risk way of investing your resources.
Yeah.
Right? It's much harder to invest your resources in research. Compare that. If you research, you need to have go forth researchers and research and come up with something versus get more data, get more compute, you'll get something from pre-training. At some point though, pre-training will run out of data. The data is very clearly finite. And so then, okay, what do you do next? Either you do some kind of a souped up pre-training, different recipe from the one we've done before, or you're doing RL, or maybe something else. But now that compute is big, compute is now very big, in some sense, we are back to the age of research. So maybe here's another way to put it. Up until 2020, from 2012 to 2020, it was the age of research. Now, from 2020 to 2025, it was the age of scaling because people say, this is amazing, you gotta scale more, keep scaling, the one word, scaling. But now the scale is so big, is the belief really that, it's so big, but if you had 100x more, everything would be so different? It would be different for sure. But is the belief that if you just 100x the scale, everything would be transformed? I don't think that's true. So it's back to the age of research again, just with big computers.